Hey guys, it's Dhruva. Welcome to my channel. There's no denying that we all love a cup of joy in the morning, and nothing wakes me up smiling quite like coffee does. So imagine how much your skin would love it then. Yes, with its caffeine and antioxidant content, coffee can work magic to smoothen, protect and stimulate the skin. So instead of drinking your coffee, let's apply it. In this video, I bring you 3 home remedies that you can include in your skincare routine. So without wasting any more time, let us quickly get started. So the first home remedy is a depuffing under eye pack. For those restless nights that leave you with dark circles, try this homemade under eye pack. Mix 2 tablespoons of coffee powder with 1 teaspoon of pure coconut oil. Mix it to form a paste and then gently apply it under your eyes. Leave it for 20 minutes and wash it away from your eyes with soap. Thanks to nourishing coconut oil and invigorating caffeine, this mask will reduce puffiness and leave your under eyes perky. The next remedy is my personal favorite skincare scrub. When you find your face feeling grimy and looking dull, whip up a quick coffee scrub. To make it, combine 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it all well and gently massage it all over your face and neck. Let it sit for 30 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water, scrubbing it into the skin while you wash. Coffee increases blood circulation and sloughs away dead skin gently so that your face feels smoother and cleaner. The third skincare remedy is a brightening face mask. Give your skin the benefit of coffee with a caffeine-packed face mask. Make it by mixing 1 tablespoon of coffee powder with 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of cold milk. You can also add 2 to 3 strands of saffron to it. Combine thoroughly into a paste and apply it all over your face and neck. Let it dry naturally for 40 minutes and wash away with cold water. When energizing coffee meets powerful turmeric and saffron, the result is skin that is radiant and bright naturally. So guys, that's it about the video. If you happen to try any of this coffee skincare remedies, make sure you share with me on Instagram at I am Dhruva Gandhi, and I love to reshare your pictures. That's it about the video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye.